Hey folks, it's your old pal Chicken Finger, back again. I know I've been away for a long time, but, well, the idiot lost me again. Huh, he is stupid. Hold on, I misplaced you. Yeah, whatever you want to call it, buddy. You lost me, okay? Admit it. For months, you didn't know where I was. I knew you were in the house. You little... Anyway, folks, I hope to be discussing some interesting topics in the future covering such subjects as what is Chicken Finger going to wear today? Or what is Chicken Finger going to talk about today? Or other interesting topics like that. Will you discuss current political events worldwide? You nasty looking... Look, stay out of my videos, buddy, okay? I'm not in your video, I'm just talking. Nobody asked you for your opinion, pal. Keep it shut. All right, relax. I'm trying to. Now, do you mind if I talk to my audience? Go ahead, talk away. Now you made me forget about what I was going to say, you knucklehead. Okay, folks, I'll talk to you some other time. This guy has me worked up too much.